The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
Courtroom dramas on television might be the main exposure a lot of people have to the court system. So there are a lot of misconceptions about how the legal system works and what actually happens in court. Richard Smith and Scott Becky are here from Smith Injury Law. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning, Margaret.
Good morning. Scott, one misconception, court cases on TV are quick. They wrap up neatly in a half an hour or so. But that's not really the case, right?
It sure isn't, Margaret. Unfortunately, in the real life, it's a long process. It can be up to a year to get to trial. And before that, there are many steps, interrogatories to be answered, questions, depositions, mediation, those sorts of things. So it is a somewhat of a long process.
Well, in a lot of shows, too, we know the character wants to represent himself or represent herself, and then they hit the books and learn how to become an attorney and handle their own proceedings. Is that realistic?
It's not wise to be your own attorney. Tell you that the defense side hires good lawyers, and they will unfortunately take advantage of all the evidence rules, and they probably will get your case dismissed.
Well, the two of you can make it make sense because you're available to talk to people. Richard, tell us about Smith Injury Law for anybody that doesn't know and the types of cases you handle.
Well, we handle automobile accidents, workers' compensation, Social Security, disability claims, all in South Carolina and North Carolina. If anybody was involved in an accident or they're hurt on the job, you can always call us and we'll be happy to help them. Basically, it's not like you see it on TV. Like we said before, it's a different process. Most cases now get resolved by mediation. Very few cases actually go to trial, but you have to be prepared to go to trial, and that's why Scott joined the firm, because he's got a lot of experience actually trying cases, and that makes a big difference nowadays when so few cases go to trial. When they do go to trial, you better be ready.
Absolutely. And it's nice to be able to work with both of you. Your number's on screen now, 300hurt, or visit 300hurt.com. Richard Smith and Scott Becky of Smith Injury Law, thanks so much for being here today.
Thank you, Margaret.
Thank you, Margaret.